We are at Jay's Cafe, Needville, Texas. On our way to Brazos Bend State Park. This is supposed to have really good down-home cooking, good burgers, good chicken fried steak. So we thought we'd check it out before we go to the park. Jay's Cafe. The Jay Cafe's menu consists of Texas down-home cooking, which means a lot of fried food. They're supposed to be famous for their chicken fried steak, chicken fried chicken, and also their half-pound hamburgers. So I'm going to get the hamburger, and Catherine's going to get a chicken fried chicken. For dessert, their pies are also highly recommended. The prices are reasonable. I'm getting the Jay Burger basket, which includes fries, for $8. And again, that's a half a pound hamburger. Catherine's chicken fried chicken is about $12. And we'll see how big it is. That sounds very reasonable to me. I need to point out they also have grilled chicken, chopped steaks, and grilled steaks and salads. So it's not all just fried food. For dessert, we're going to split a peach cobbler. And they are also open for breakfast. Here's my cheeseburger. Half a pound of meat. And there's Catherine's huge chicken fried chicken. Catherine also got some warm bread. How's that chicken? Good. Very crispy. Good. Big.
Yeah. I'm like, okay, they're trying to kill me.
Toasted bun. Good.
Yeah, for sure. Well, so
Here's our peach cobbler for dessert. Lunch for two, $30. The Jay Burger, although I liked the way it was served, all the dressings was on the side, so you could put as much onions, lettuce, tomato that you wanted, and mustard on the side as well. Grilled bun, which was nice, but the meat overall was very well done, which I don't like my hamburgers that way. They didn't really ask how I wanted my hamburger cooked. So because it was so well done, it was pretty dry. So I'm only going to give my hamburger maybe a C. The chicken fried steak was very crispy and crunchy on the outside, very tender and juicy on the inside. Cream gravy came with it, French fries came with it. Very large serving, so this was really good. I'd probably give it a B+. The mashed potatoes, however, they were real mashed potatoes, but again, they were very dry and seemed like they were overcooked. So the mashed potatoes I didn't really care for at all. The peach cobbler was just okay. So that's our review of the Jay Cafe in Needville, Texas, which is close to Brazos Bend State Park. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. Please subscribe to Ed Foodie, and thank you for watching.